This is a review of Octopus CRM, one of the oldest and most popular LinkedIn automation tools on the market. Octopus CRM is built for one thing: automating your LinkedIn outreach safely. It helps you send connection requests, messages, and follow-ups in bulk while also tracking every step of your campaign. You can even view who looked at your profile, check endorsements, and measure your performance in one dashboard. What makes it stand out is how it connects with other tools. You can integrate with HubSpot, Salesforce, or Zapier to push leads directly into your CRM. It also bypasses LinkedIn's weekly invite limit using smart throttling, so you can scale outreach without tripping LinkedIn's detection systems. The pricing is simple. It starts at $10 a month for basic automations, then scales up to $40 for unlimited usage. Even higher tiers stay affordable compared to most competitors. There's a small learning curve if you're new to automation, but once it's set up, Octopus runs like a machine. You can manage lists, segment campaigns, and monitor conversations all from one interface. It's best for freelancers, recruiters, and small sales teams who need volume outreach without complex setup. But if you want something cloud-based and built for multiple accounts, that's where Salesforge takes over. Salesforge automates across email and LinkedIn, so your outreach goes beyond one platform. So if you're starting out and want lightweight LinkedIn automation tool that's safe, affordable, and proven, Octopus CRM is a solid pick. But if you're ready to scale and want to pair LinkedIn with cold email, then Salesforge is the perfect choice for full stack outbound setup. I made a full video about Salesforge right here, so check it out.